This is down. Here's Solano. On the freeway, passes on the outlet. Ryan fires.
Hi guys.
Stolen by MJ. Perlada having some trouble. Solaba on to MJ. Perlada launches the trigger. Yes, sir. Attacks down the lane. Getting the on to destroy a bubble from the elbow. Hagos complete the steal. So, attacks, drop pass. Solaba underneath. Destroying the steal. A bubble. Downtown. Joe. Jonas picks it up. Putting it back and extra pass. Madness looks at the shot. Solabo passes on the extra. Hago. He arrives. Misses. Put back by Solabo. Gets it to go. 10 seconds to work with. He takes a shot. DJ. On the reception. Passes on the right wing. Hago kicks out. Solabo takes the three. Got it. Santos. Using passes on the right wing. Chomaresa lights it up. Yes. DJ launches. Yes, sir. That's on the rush. Passes on the left. Loading it up. USA is blocked. Daniel has it on to DJ. Balan on the heavy traffic. Passes to Labo. He arrives. No. Carolina drop pass to Labo on the bank. Here's the player, yes sir! Here's Balan. Hounded by Alfred. Anticipation, stolen by Gasol. Abobo. He arrives, misses. And fire! Marshall. Making the bomb onto Gasol. Abobo is hounded by Balan. Pass on to Jonas. Romaresa making a play. Kapag down, 5 seconds to shoot. Ryan once again. No. Santos on to Bisoy. Passes inside. Back to Bisoy. A bubble plays away. No. And Arjun recovers. Then on the shot clock. Santos passes to the wrong man. Here's the breakout. So Labo on to MJ. Touchdown. On the right wing. Ryan from the corner. Here's Bisoy. Above the block. Jomaresa couldn't finish. This is down. Here's Solano. On the freeway, passes on the outlet. They need to make a shot. He's going on the traffic, misses. He's the break on the side of Ignite. Tag off. Pump up. Yes. Down using the big of Justin. He fires. Misses. The rebound goes to Daniel. Abula on to G. Pass on the handoff. On to next, De La Cuesta. Abula fires and he's Ryan fires. Misses though. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Bisoy arrives. 3 seconds to shoot. Stolen. Here is Hagos. Attacks. Yes. Justin has it. It's Mabe. Muscles. 8 seconds to shoot. Ryan fires on the other side. Hagos to Daniel. Abuda attack. There's that. It's a launch. Misses. Lex. Susubo press. Yes, sir. Launches from D. Lex De La Cuesta. 3. Block off this. Fires, yes, and on the left wing. Agos lays it in. On to Jerry. Vargas on to Jonas. Joe Aresa making his way. On the reverse. Got it. Here's Hagos. On the left. De La Costa with it to do. Really great traffic. He arrives. Yes, sir. On to Hagos. Christian. Using the pick. Passes. So Labo on the pick and roll. 5 seconds to go. Jerry fires. Yeah. And the first ever score, 38 Shoot! Balan, got loose against the stick. Cross the box, Carlana, deliver, foul chop, Ignati. All the way, no. Arnel puts it out, off the leg, from the corner. In and out once again. And there is Salamo. You see on the other side, answering. No. Salamo putting it back. Yes, sir. By Salamo. It's like stolen by Tisoy. Here's Abobo. He attacks. Shots fired. In and out though. Balan attacks on the baseline. Yes, sir. On to Joe Aresa. Jonas. On to oh no! Missed opportunity there for Alfred Houston. Here's Balan, passes. Fernanda has it. De La Cuesta launches. Money on that three. Lex on the make. Fernanda. Vargas stepping on the gas. Extra pass. Destroy with a finish. Making the attack. Stolen with winning. Here's Vargas. On the heavy traffic. Passes, destroyed, makes the J. 6-0 run there for RGP. Here's Lex on to DJ. Saka is winding down. Balan launches. Money on that three. Here is Tisoy. Short on that step. Cedric once again. On to Jonas. Pass is stolen by Benji. Here is Balan. Taking some time. Touchdown. Essa on the left wing. Jonas Jogaresa. Three. Ball goes to DJ. Balan on the traffic. De La Cuesta has it. Moving down by Ryan. De La Cuesta has it once again. On the Neo. Abuda passes. Balan with a recovery. DJ. Balan passes. Agos is fouled. Launches on the middle against Tisoy. Using the pick. Breaking away. That's the defense from Abobo. Stolen by Tisoy. Loses. So here is De La Cuesta. On to Christian. Passes. On to MJ. Agus has it now. Will take some time. Hands up onto DJ. 10 seconds to work with. Fires short. Even goes to Ryan. Alonso on to Cedric. On to Abobo. Hand off. Madness. Ready to finish. To go. As Madness. Donovan misses. Arnel off the bench. On to Lex. De La Cuesta on to DJ. Balan. He can go away. Break out. Houston. All stolen from him. Houston recovers. Arnel picks it up on the jelly. Vargas. Gets the ball roll. Houston extra pass. Esmada, here up on the board. Here's Balan. All the way up. Touchdown. Here's Jogaresa. Pushing the play. Short. Vargas recovers. Esmada fades away. Short. He was good by Houston. Attacks underneath. With Alonso fires from the corner. Stand on the shot block. So Lamo making his way. Jogaresa breaking away. Attacks all the way. Here's Balan. On the front court. 10 seconds to work with. Lex on the pick and roll. Stolen there. Arnel. Derecho sa muslo. Making his way. Attacks. Lays it in. Here's De La Cuesta. Launches. And Madden on that play. De La Cuesta. Passes. Jogaresa on the pick and roll. Here's DJ. Balan. He is heavily handled by Tisoy. Looking to attack. Jogaresa recovery. 10 seconds away with. Kick out. Arnel hesitation. 5 seconds to shoot. Alasha takes it. Misses. Ball picks up by Tisoy. Abala playing the ball. Two straight misses there for Ryan. And here's Salos.
Putang
And
ina.
the foul is called. De La Cuesta. Looking for an answer. Yes, sir. Right to La Cuesta. 3. Still 3 minutes to go in this match. It's a pick. Tisoy takes the shot. Here's Balan. GJ on the left. Taking the shot. No. Even though to Jerry. Here's Vargas. On the Tisoy. Vargas out the here. Inside. Taking it out. They will take some time. Tisoy lays it off. Pushes it through. De La Cuesta on to GJ. Oh, there is Halos for Solano. Entering the twilight zone of this match. Ababo has it. 9 seconds to shoot. Yes! 3 minutes! 3 seconds to shoot. Joe Alessa passes. Here, 4-8 night. His leg. Flash of late here. 5 seconds to shoot. So now misses. Even control by Esmate. And there's a roll. Esmate on the other side.
Try
In this
MJ,
match. Here's De La Cuesta against the toy. Taking the shot. Yes! Let's De La Cuesta. Here's Tisoy. Entering the play. Into the pick. 10 seconds to make it. Pass on to Sonis. Jocaresa making it off. Hitting the basket. DJ with a reception.
Meron.
Oh! Ate kayo, ate.
30 seconds remaining. It's Ababo asking for a pick.
Pang-press lang yan.
10 seconds to shoot. 30 to handle. Here's Christian. He's driving it through. And there's a foul. 14 seconds remaining. Jocaresa has it, and that will be a foul. Jocaresa with the reception. That will be a foul. With the reach. And that will be a foul. Penalty. De La Cuesta tatanggap ng bola. 10 seconds to go. De La Cuesta has it. He takes the